Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in this beautiful Albufeira, Portugal. Check this little beach out, eh? Many of you been here, but you've got to walk over that from that last little beach bar and you come to this beautiful little beach. Secluded, few people. But you do have to walk down that steep thing, but the barrier is quite good. Really well. Held on well. This guy. Whoa. Sabrina is gone on like a monster. Stuck in between this. Oh, not a good idea. Everyone else just chilling out, and there's me falling down a bloody hill. She's got me going up and down these hills. Oh dear. Let's keep going. Up the little sand hill now. So yeah, we was over there a minute ago. For some reason, could have went onto that beach and walked up here. So don't do what we did. That is the most stupidest way ever. But yeah, let's keep going. Oh. Okay. Oh. A little sand in my feet. God damn. I'm going to make sure I choose the correct path down this time. Not follow Sabrina. I don't know if this is the correct path down though. So that's where we've come from. Let's have a little look. If you fall down, you're going to fall down to your own private beach. Out of breath already. Look at this. Another private beach with nobody on it. Oh, see people just chilling there. As you would. Let's keep it going, let's go down if we can without killing ourselves. So, just a few jungle steps to go and we get down to the beach again. And there we are. At this next secluded beach. So Albufeira has a lot of these. This is, if you like beaches away from the tourists, Albufeira has plenty of them. And they're not so bad, they're not dirty so much. There's always going to be rubbish here and there. But yeah, let's keep going. Up and up and up. So yeah, if you've watched our road series, thank you very much, because that's still ongoing at the moment as we are here. Every so often I'll stop and give you the viewpoints. But yeah, so we was just over there. Somehow we've got up this one, and we've got to go all the way over there. Check that place though. Is it abandoned? Are they doing it up? So you've got a lovely little house at the top, if you can see it. God damn, hopefully there's an easy way up this one. Looks like we go down and go up. Look at this little beach. So at the moment it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. There is no sunshine today. It's behind cloud anyway. So here we are at the old treacherous steps. As you can see, you have to go up and down them to get onto the next level. Ooh. Let's see if we make it down these ones. Let's go. We're doing it, guys. Oh. So down there, Tea-Tap Beach, but doesn't look like you can pass. Obviously, you've got mobility issues. I wouldn't try doing this. But never say never, you know. But yeah, I got the seaweed there. Plenty. We're going to keep going, we're going round. Round and round and round. Sabrina made it. Woo! You know, flip-flops. Okay, so here's the death passage. If you fall down, you're probably going to be dead. We should be okay. Yes, we're okay. We survived. Well, I don't know if it was meant to go this way. We've chosen the fence. We've chosen the fence. Looks easy. What did we miss? Whew. Let's have a quick look before we keep going. So guys, remember, subscribe. Will we make it all the way round, eh? Looks like it. The passage keeps going. We keep sweating. Check that out. Passage is a bit worn away. It looks like they had some forest fire there. Well, I don't think we're going that way. Look at that. Fall down. Woo. Right, quickly show you where we are. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, I think we're at the corner. We actually made it. Take a moment to reflect on the achievements here. So yeah. There's that Faro right in the distance. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can see Faro right in the distance. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. This is us just walking along this weird passage that leads you to where we are now. Hope that helps. We'll see you in the next one.